just went for a walk. Was sitting by this river down here from me, by the water, and you can see how things get smaller as they get further away when you're looking down a river like that. And it made me realize that the reason why things are getting smaller as they get further away is because of how my eyes are triangulating with it. So there's two, and it forms that narrow path. Reality is bending towards singularity, not just in front of us, but behind us as well. And that's the other thing about that concept, is that this is evidence we live on a sphere, okay? Because in order for reality to be bending like that, that's what black holes do to light, is it bends light, it curves. That's why, that's what you're seeing when things get smaller as they get further away. You're seeing the singularity that is inside the black hole that we live on, that they call Earth. Except there's not just one singularity that it's triangulating with, because we live in a dual torus. That's why things spin in one direction in the northern hemisphere and the opposite direction in the southern hemisphere. There's a point on the North Pole and the South Pole. And that's what our eyes are bending towards, is the 2 points that is on the north and south pole of this reality that we're in. Because reality is polarized, light and dark, good and bad, male and female, north and south, up and down, in and out. Okay, you need this contrast to have free will, but that's another conversation. So that's why things get smaller as they get further away, is because reality is bending towards the singularity. We live on the event horizon. That's why time slows down and we experience death the way that we do here. Okay, the Egyptians wrote this, the flower of life symbol that's laser etched in like Edfu Temple or something like that. You can see there's a barrier. There's a circle around the flower of life pattern, but then there's another circle around that inner circle. And that represents the horizon, the event horizon of the singularity, the black hole that we're on. And so you could see the way reality bends that way in north and the south is evidence we live on a sphere.